Good morning, students. Let's start the story, the thief story. Already, I have given this introduction of the writer and introduction of the story and a summary of the story to you. Now, we will start the story. So, let's start the story. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't had much luck of late, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flutters help to make friend. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle, but a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead to a police, a former employer. Here, this is the story is narrated by the thief. In this story, in this concept, he had given his name as a Hari Singh. That is not a right name. He has already said that I lied the name. So, in this, first of all, the narrator told us about himself that he was a thief. He was a very good thief. At that time, his age was 15, and he met the person whose name was Anil. Anil was watching the wrestling match. He was about 25, age of 25, a tall and lean fellow. And if we want to make someone else friend or want to make someone flatter, so what we are doing, we have just give them some compliments. We are just said the good things about him or her, so that person will be flatter and they will be make friends. So like that, the same policy was followed by the Hari Singh here. He had just said the Anil that you are also looking like a wrestler. So he said, okay, so do you? Because Anil was a very simple man. He knows the things, but he know that the Hari Singh was making fool him. But he asked to him, so do you? So the Hari Singh was just a moment. He was not saying anything, and he was thinking about it, what he's saying, because Hari Singh was so thin at that time. So he said that, but he changed the mood and he changed his talk. He was very witty in the talking. So he said that I do wrestling a bit, very small. I'm doing the wrestling. So the Anil asked to the narrator, "What's your name?" He said that my name is Hari Singh. Why he said I lied. I lied means he said wrong name, because whenever he go to the person to whom he want to be robbed, he was just said the different name, so the police will not chase him. That is why he was saying always his wrong name to the person. So after this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestler who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I did not have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. So the thing is that writer wants to say that narrator was talking about himself, and the Anil was talking about the wrestling and all that. He was talking about this wrestler is good. He was doing very good. All that thing he was discussing, and then Anil was walked away from there after the match was completed. The Hari Singh followed him because he want to rob him and he want to make him. So he said with a smile that I want to go with you, and I want to work for you. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, "Can you fed me?" So what happened? He asked to Anil that I want to work for you. Anil said, "If you want to do work for me, it is okay, but I am not able to pay you. I don't have this much of salary or this much of money that I will pay you." So the Hari Singh just think about a moment that. I misjudged the person. I thought he was a very good person. He was a rich person, so I will rob him. But he said me that I'm not able to pay for you. Then I asked him, "Can you feed me? Means can you give me the food? I can cook for you. Can I can cook?" I lied again. Hari Singh said, "I can cook." Means Hari is not knowing how to cook, but he lied because he want to enter the Anil's house. That is why. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. So Anil is a very simple man. He said he was actually a writer, so he don't have a time lots of for that, and he wants someone to be help him. So he said, if you can cook, I can feed you. So both can just mutual understanding between both of them. Now what happened? We can see. He took me to his room over a Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hang around, smiling in the my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. Later he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind." He had teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write the whole sentence and to add number. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So what happened? They went to both of them just went to the Anil's house. Anil was residing in a room that is over the Jamuna shop. There is a sweet shop over that. There is a room, and he was resided there. And Anil told to the Hari Singh that you can sleep on the balcony. Hari Singh was cooked at that time, but he don't know how to cook, so his food was very terrible. And Anil gave that food to the dogs, stray dogs, and then I gave a very good smile. Hari Singh said that I gave the Anil to a appealing smile, and he patted my head and said, "Never mind, okay, it is okay, we can sleep." And then slept at that night. But slowly, I was taking interest in the Anil's house because in Anil also because Anil was very good man. He taught me how to write, and he told me how to write the whole sentence. He taught me how to write my name, and he told me that I will taught you how to write and add the numbers. Means maths he will teach to him. So that is the thing here. Then the last line he had written that no limit what I could achieve. First time Hari Singh achieved that, he realized that the importance of education. He feels so excited that how I have right to name, how will I will learn all that thing. So he was taking interest and he was just achieved that thing. So that is why he was happy for that. This is the one reason he changed his mind and he changed his heart in the end. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supply, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Anil is a very simple man. Already I told you. He knows that the things coming in how much amount. He gave the money to the Hari Singh to buy something. What Anil he is doing, he was just purchasing the things and he will make a 1 rupee note. Sometime he was taking a less things and then he said to the Anil that it was in the higher amount. So that is the thing. So he said that a rupee a day. Every day I have making a 1 rupee for myself. uh, Anil know about that thing, but he doesn't mind that thing. He just ignoring those things. So that is the thing. Again, this is second thing, second cause that the change of the Hari's heart and mind about the Anil.